Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix just like a black screen with a cursor on after you boot up, after you log in on Windows 10 or 11. After this problem happened loads on Windows 10, this is the first time it's happened on Windows 11, and usually what I do is just leave it, wait for it to come on, and then just like leave my PC on sleep. But found a way that actually works, and you should never have to do this again. It should just keep working after this. This problem should not occur. This problem only ever happens to me after a Windows update for some reason. So you got to like disable something to do it. So I re-enabled it just to show you this, because I thought, right, I've spent this problem first occurred like a year ago, and I've finally found a method that works, so I'd like to share it. So you want to click Control Alt Delete, which works. If that doesn't work, I can't really help you. Then you go to Task Manager, then go up to File, Run New Task. You just need to type in services.msc and then click Create this task with administrative privileges. Click OK, and then this window pops up, and then you want to go to App Readiness, double click it, change it from manual or whatever it's on, just disable it, disabled. Then Control Alt Delete again, then just go down to the bottom, click Restart, and then your PC will restart. Then once your PC boots back up, it should just work. If it doesn't, I don't really know what you can do, but yeah, it works. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys found it helpful, and I hope you guys come back for another video. Bye.